Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your KeyBank online account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your KeyBank account online on your web browser, first open up your preferred web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in KeyBank login like this on the Google itself and hit enter. And you can see the ibx.key.com, which is the second one, this website over here where I'm hovering right now. Click over there, and after the page loads you'll be required to enter your user ID over here, and after that enter your password over here, and click on sign on to log into your KeyBank online account from over here. Or if you have some problem signing on to your KeyBank account, simply click on problem signing on over here and you'll be able to solve your problems with the help of the KeyBank. And if you want to sign up for a KeyBank account, simply click on enroll in online banking and you'll be able to go through a sign up procedure of KeyBank where you can, or you'll be able to create an account on KeyBank. And so guys, this is how you log into your KeyBank on your web browser. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.